No. 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 Nahi. What comes to your mind when I say no? Negative? Inconvenience? Difficult? Disrespectful? At least that is what we were told when we were growing up, that a nice girl never says no. But me, being 47-year-old, post-menopausal, a very, very, very fat lady dancing, and also a woman without a gallbladder, I still dream big and I've never stopped climbing my dream mountains. Yes, believe me, trust me when I say that no is a beautiful word. ना या नहीं सिर्फ एक शब्द नहीं है, एक दृष्टिकोण है जो आपको मजबूती से पकड़ के रखता है, आपको गिरने से बचाता है. Hello, I'm Rupali Khanna and I'm so thrilled to take you all along on the journey of my significant no's of the life. So yes, shall we go? I was born in a joint family and raised among the 4 siblings, and I was the middle child. So being a middle child, you don't get that, privileges of being pampered. But we are proved to be the most adaptable people you'll ever meet. Let me introduce to you the theory or the principle of reverse cream biscuit. Listen, सबको cream biscuit पसंद आता है, right? So that lovely cream layered between 2 crisp biscuits with different flavors and different taste. But that cream, the middle child, is sometimes ignored. हमें हमेशा यही कहा जाता है, अरे इसको तो चलेगा. Upon that, in comparison to my siblings, I was never ever attracted towards the bright light of the academic success and career. I just love dancing. So, I'll tell you a story. If you would be my parents, you should be stressed right now. I was preparing for my 10th board exams, imagine. And I was not preparing, I was not studying at all. I went to school, I helped my dance teacher to teach dance to grade 7 students. मैंने बड़ी सफाई से मेरे घर पे झूठ बोला कि मैं एक्स्ट्रा स्टडीज़ के लिए जा रही हूँ. So, I said no to the expectations of my teachers and parents, but I said yes to the inner child of mine who always wanted to dance. Yes, time never remains the same. A major incident changed our lives. We were at Bhuj during the earthquake that occurred in January 2001. We lost everything and we need to start from zero. 13 family members staying in the one roof, and 2 people are earning, my sister and me. At this time, we tried our level best to earn whatever extra we could to meet the needs. So I started teaching kids dance over and above my routine job. But this time flew away. Gradually, we all came back to track. I was working in a direct sale agent of a multinational bank. That is where I met my better half. Yes, unfortunately, the bank had a clause that husband and wife cannot work in the same place. Since our engagement was announced, I quit the job. I said no to the multinational bank career. I said yes to love. And I'm really happy and enjoying the investment that I have done because I got a reward in form of return of investments, my lovely daughter. Yes, 2 years I was a homemaker. I wanted to give all time to her. And one day I was teaching her dance. Something happened into me and the passion of learning dance reignited into me. So I am a trained Bharatanatyam dancer, But I wanted to explore Latin dance forms. So I joined dance classes. So from teaching my daughter Bua, Nana, Cha-Cha to me learning Cha-Cha-Cha was a long journey, but a journey with growth. I was trained for 2 years. But then I was told for further, or if I have to learn an advanced stage choreography, I was supposed to go to Mumbai. And I couldn't do that because my daughter was small. So I showed interest to become an instructor in the same dance class where I was learning Latin. They said yes. They offered me 6 months probation without pay. I agreed. Unfortunately, I was never given a class. I was called there for back office work. I used to call students for follow-ups, admission fees to be paid, and etc. etc. Occasionally, I was allowed to take class because my sir was not present that day to the beginner's level. One point of time, I thought it's enough, and I just stopped going to classes. But to my surprise, 4 students whom I taught in the beginner's level came to me and said, we would be the happiest person if you make us learn dance, even if it is at your home. And at that time, I truly met myself, and without any hesitation, I said yes. So I did not care about the numbers of the students that I had, did not care about a lavish studio with fancy lights, floorings, and mirrors. But what we had in common is the passion for dancing. And that was there between us, and I enjoyed that. So I said yes to what? Can you imagine? I said yes to my own dance class, even if it was small at my home, and no to all the insecurities tied up to a very sophisticated dance studio. Now, further, I was just climbing a mountain higher, and my dancing family grew. So we decided that we should have an annual show every year. We were practicing for the same. A lady who owned the yoga class, aerobics and Zumba class approached me for a help. I said, okay. She needed students to perform in her upcoming event. She selected students who were tall, thin, conventionally beautiful. मैंने उनको कहा, और भी बच्चे हैं जो बहुत टैलेंटेड है इनसे, आप उनको भी ले सकते हैं. एक जवाब दिया उन्होंने कि एक ही चीज़, one line. I want good looking students because I do for classes, not for masses. And at that time, I stood and something happened to me. मैं अंदर से हिल गई थी. I was so surprised by this answer. Then and there, I decided to define the vision of my dance class. I will provide a space for everyone, maybe whether toddler, youngster, moms, grandparents, professional dancers, beginners, mentally or physically retarded, tall, short, dark, fair, thin, fat, but they could dance. So I said no to the outer beauty and appearance, and I said yes to what I feel is the principles on which my dance class will stand. So, inclusivity, self-expression, and love for dance. Years passed by. We had achieved many milestones. So we had many achievements in form of fame and many things going on. But one thing that really pinched me is I am dancing with this weight since so many years. कभी कभी यही सवाल हमेशा कॉमन पूछते हैं, आप इतना एक्टिव हो, आप इतना डांस करते हो, आपका वज़न कम क्यों नहीं होता? टिप्पणियाँ उनसे भी विशेष होती है। आपको देख के लगता नहीं कि आप डांस करते होंगे। अरे भाई ये स्टेज पे जाएंगे तो खट्टा हो जाएगा, इनको आगे रखेंगे तो पीछे वाले दिखेंगे नहीं, पार्टनर वर्क में कौन किसको उठाने वाला है, अरे वो कोरियोग्राफर आ गई। These things were very common, very common. Yes, this puts you down. But I didn't put myself into the shell. My family was with me. Yes, even especially my younger sister and my daughter. So I just made this my X factor. My weight is my X factor. X का मतलब क्या है? कोई लोग समझते हैं it's no, it's negative, it's danger, right? So it's wrong. For me, it's right, it's positive, it is satisfying, it is a yes. अगर मैं ये कर सकती हूँ तो आप भी कर सकते हैं. So you need to just find your X factor. और यही चीज़ मैंने इंटरव्यू में बताई थी डांस दीवाने में. So I'm not going to cry for a very sad story. I am not going to tell a lie for a sympathy. अगर आपको मेरा वज़न X factor की तरह दिखाना है and I'm dancing on that weight, then I'm in, otherwise no. So I said again no to the TRP expectations and I said yes to my X factor. मेरा future vision यही है कि I start movement therapy sessions for people who are 55 years and above. So this will help them to move very safely without walking sticks. Their memory will be better and they can always manage their arthritis. लोग मुझे कहते हैं कि बस करो, रुक जाओ, थक जाओगे. मैं क्या कहती हूँ? Guess what? No, नहीं. So, anything that does not make you fly or flow, say no and put on a great show because world is your stage, your instinct is your art, the show must go on. So for all you lovely ladies, not खुद से खुद तक का सफ़र पर आपके सफ़र के लिए एक छोटी सी कविता जो विवेक वोरा ने लिखी है. सहमी सहमी सी आहट बनके जर्द ख्वाहिशों के पत्तों पे क्यों पाँव रखती हो, हवा हो तुम चलती ही अच्छी लगती हो. रुक रुक कर यूं डर कर हर पत्थर के आगे बढ़ने की क्यों इजाज़त लेती हो, नदी हो तुम बहती ही अच्छी लगती हो. हर मुस्कुराहट का हिसाब अपनी खुश्क आँखों को खामखा ही देती हो, हंसी हो तुम गूंजती ही अच्छी लगती हो. अपने शरारों को फूंक फूंक के खुद ही क्यों बुझाती हो, आग हो तुम जलाती ही अच्छी लगती हो. दबी दबी सी आरजुओं को जहन की गटाओं में लिए क्यों फिरती हो, बारिश हो तुम बरसती ही रहती. So keep it up, find your X factor. Thank you.